Hi guys, today I am going to show you Hypertough 6 inches aluminum mini hand saw. This saw is a very good and powerful, over that it's not expensive. The saw comes with one blade only. These blades you can find them in any store. The blade has two sides, up and down. You can't switch between the two sides. It is very flexible saw. You can change the sawing degree direction for easy way, from here. Take the blade out and move this part left or right. After that, back the blade again. Do the same on the bottom. If you like to make a craft, this is the better saw. I am going to back the blade to normal. After that, I will show you how it is very powerful. I spent less than 1 minute to cut this tube. It's so good. Thank you for watching.